Come test drive this 2007 Cadillac DTS. This four-door sedan has just over 25,000 miles. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Cadillac prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, high-intensity discharge headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Cadillac ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.